Hi, my name is Marta Vargas. I am a certified PSYCH-K instructor. Today I want to share with you my journey with this process. Back in 2009, I read a book called The Biology of Belief, written by Bruce Lipton. And at the end, he explains how PSYCH-K, this process, changed his life and allowed him actually to publish the book. So I got very curious and started to look. Nobody was teaching PSYCH-K then in Latin America, in Colombia where I live, so I went to the US because I felt very, very deep inside of me that this was that missing piece that I've been looking for so many years, after workshop after workshop, book after book of self-help, gurus and shamans and processes to find that piece that I had lost when my dad died when I was 5, and all the other experiences that came throughout life, being raped at 11 by somebody, or being finishing 2 marriages throughout life. Life happens, you know, and we lose our peace. So when I went to take the basic workshop in 2009 in Philadelphia, and they showed me how I could empower myself with this process, it was just like mind-blowing. Wow, this is what I've been waiting for. But one thing was to listen to the information, and then the other thing was to actually do this with myself and start to do these processes that we call balances, and start to see a level of peace that I had never experienced before. That peace I had been searching for outside was actually within me. So there was no more search, nothing more to look for. It was just more about this continuous spiral ascending of my own evolution. And that's how it's been in these last 10 years. After that, I took the basic, the advanced, and 10 months later, I became a certified instructor. And here I am, sharing this information with you and inviting you to listen to that inner voice. If you've been feeling that your life is not all that you want, if you've been feeling unsatisfied with who you are and how life is going, then maybe PSYCH-K is for you. This is not a magic wand. This is a process for those of us who are ready to be responsible for our own lives, to let go of the role of the victim and know that it's not outside, that happiness is not going to come because I have a better car or a bigger house or the ideal partnership. It's going to come because you're complete. Happiness is within you. It's your own power which is going to make you happy. And as a consequence of that, all those other things are just going to start falling into place as it corresponds. I'm not saying that everything in my life has been solved. I am saying that I do live in a very, very deep peace. And when those moments come that challenge, you know, the continuum of life or the harmony, then I have a live tool to find out what's behind those instances, what's behind those experiences, what's a gift, why am I co-creating these situations to be better? And in that way, everything is always perfect. So if this is something that you can relate to, then go ahead and look for the next workshop or find a facilitator to help you transform your life with PSYCH-K.